Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa motungata ma ciana kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya augĩte ũhoro wa kwagarara ihoto cia ciana nĩ wongererekete na gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ na he bata wa kũhĩka mĩbango ya gũthondeka mawatho maya.
We have what we call now the Siaya County Child Protection Policy, which we are working closely with the county government of Siaya, and we were hoping that on this day we were going to have the policy in place. In the financial year that is ending in the next 2 weeks, the Director of Children's Services received a total of 1,806 cases that were reported in our offices where the rights of the children had been trampled on.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa gĩkundi kĩa atumia kĩa bunge ya Siaya Scholastica Madowo akiuga atĩ bunge ya Siaya nĩ ĩharĩirie kũhĩka watho o wothe nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria mũbango-inĩ ũyũ.
We have many cases of child pregnancies, many cases of girls dropping out of school. We have many cases of violation of the rights of girls, little girls as young as nursery school. These are challenges which we still have in Siaya, and we are ready as an assembly to fast track any policies, fast track any laws to ensure that these are tightened for our children.
Mutumia wa Gavana Betty Orengo nake ongereire atĩ nĩ kũrutithania wĩra kwa hakuhĩ na bunge ya kaunti kuona atĩ matihotete kũhukia nda cia tene o hamwe na mbara cia kĩmũciĩ.
Sexual violence and defilement of minors and domestic violence and gender-based violence is also affecting both boys and girls. And Siaya is unfortunately not doing very well in this area, and we are committed as advocates, and I will work very closely with the Honorable Mercedes and the Women's Caucus of the County Assembly and other leaders to go around our county advocating against this triple threat.
Rĩu mwĩhoko wĩ harĩ bunge kũhĩka mũbango wa gũthondeka mawatho nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mĩtũrĩre ya ciana kaunti-inĩ ĩyo nĩ yagacĩrithio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Mwangi.